Hi everyone, it's Amy from Tentworld Toowoomba. I have the Coleman Guide Series Dual Fuel stove with me here. It's a great stove for all weather conditions, including freezing. Now it runs on the Coleman Fuel, also runs on Shellite or unleaded petrol. Now I'm just going to show you how to use it. It comes with a funnel with a filter in it to make it easy to fill up. So it just goes in here. So you just fill it up through there. Then what you need to do is pressurize it. So you've got to make sure that this little lever is off, and then on this side here you've got the pressurizer, so you've got to pump that at least 25 times. So after you pressurize it, just make sure you've got it closed, then have a match ready, light it up, and turn this to high. So once the stove is lit, you need to pressurize it again. So open pump one turn and then pressurize for 30 seconds. Then close. So once the stove is lit, what will happen is the fuel will start to run through the generator across the top and will start to heat up and turn to a vapor, making the stove run more efficiently on the fuel than other stoves on the market. So come into any of our Tentworld stores or online and check them out.